model, 66-plate Ford Transit Custom 290 Limited 2.0 TDCI non-runner wet belt snapped no VAT. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 172,461. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none-runner, timing belt has snapped, nice, easy repair, if you know what you're doing definitely worth repairing. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy, you can tell this has been well looked after. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it, very well looked after van and first to see will definitely buy. Features, alloy wheels, air con, parking sensors, cruise Contron, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6.